Welcome to the Big Cat Lover. I'm here to take you on thrilling adventures into the wild, from tracking majestic tigers to exploring the mesmerizing world of Himalayan birds. Whether it's the dense jungles of Sundarbans or the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, this channel is all about raw nature. Offbeat wildlife photography, and untold stories from the wilderness. So, if you share my passion for big cats, rare birds, and the call of the wild, hit that subscribe button and join me.
Welcome to a visual journey into Pench National Park, a breathtaking expanse of wilderness that straddles the border between the states of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra in India. This national park is renowned for its rich biodiversity, picturesque landscapes, and a fascinating array of flora and fauna. Named after the Pench River that flows through its heart, this park is situated in the southern reaches of the Satpura Range.
Hello everyone, good morning. So I'm back in this park after 7 years. Last time I came here, I went with 0 sightings. So this time I'm back again with some kind of hopes. So where I am in Pench National Park, Kipling's jungle. Let's see what's in store for us. Our first safari is in Turia. So a little bit of history about Pench. This park was declared a national park in 1972. It covers an area of about 472 square kilometers, and this is shared by Seoni and Ramtek, and it is easily connected from the city called Nagpur, and it has a corridor with Tadwa National Park and Kanha National Park.
Established in 1975 as a wildlife sanctuary, Pench was later declared a national park in 1983. It gained prominence as the setting for Rudyard Kipling's classic, The Jungle Book, and its landscapes are believed to have inspired the fictional setting of the book. The forest seems alive with activity, and the sounds of unseen creatures echo through the trees. In the distance, a stream murmurs, inviting us to discover its hidden secrets. The vibrant ecosystem unfolds before our eyes, each step revealing a new chapter in this enchanting story of nature. Two hours have passed and we still haven't been able to see the tiger in spite of strong alarm calls by deer and monkeys. The wild is alive with the untamed energy of the jungle, and the elusive tiger remains a phantom, weaving its story through the heart of the wilderness. The quest for this majestic creature continues as we navigate the intricate dance between predator and prey in the enchanted forest. A sudden hush falls over the forest as our attention is drawn to a lone wild dog emerging from the shadows. The air crackles with an electric energy as the agile predator moves gracefully through the underbrush. atmosphere in the forest tightens as the piercing alarm calls of a nearby deer shatter the tranquility. The wild symphony of the woods transforms into a cacophony of warning signals, sending ripples of unease through the air. We instinctively hold our breath, attuned to the heightened tension surrounding us. A hushed murmur ripples through the group of guides as their trained eyes catch subtle signs of a potential leopard's presence. The monkeys, high in the treetops, are now agitated, their chattering reaching a
कॉल आ रहा है
fevered
आगे।
pitch.
बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉल है।
In a moment of awe, the forest reveals its hidden gem as a magnificent male leopard emerges onto a prominent rock, basking in the golden sunlight. As the leopard continues his melodious call, it's evident that a story of connection and wild allure unfolds. In a magical turn of events, the male leopard's solitary silhouette is joined by the elegant presence of his mate. She gracefully emerges from the shadows. The pair moves in tandem, their movements synchronized with an unspoken harmony. As we moved backwards following them, the leopards look at us for one last time and disappear into the dappled shadows, leaving behind a lingering sense of enchantment. Excitement coursed through all of us as news of another leopard sighting nearby reaches us. The forest, already buzzing with the recent encounter, now holds the promise of yet another enigmatic rendezvous with the elusive big cat. The air becomes charged with tension as we arrive at the reported location, and the deer in the vicinity exhibit signs of caution. Their ears stand erect, and their eyes fixate on a point behind us. A collective hush falls over the group as the subtle movement of bushes reveals the presence of a young leopard, patiently waiting to cross our path. As the leopard makes her move, a graceful and deliberate stride, we watch in awe. stand still as the young leopard emerges from the concealment of the bushes and elegantly crosses right in front of us. Her sleek form moves with a feline grace, every step purposeful and unhurried. In this intimate encounter with multiple generations of leopards, we find ourselves woven into the fabric of the untamed story.
मेरा नाम कौशल किशोर अग्रवाल है। मैं इस पार्क का गाइड हूँ। यहाँ पे 70+ टाइगर है, 70+ लेपर्ड, दो डोमेट मेल मिलते हैं जिसे हम कवर करते हैं। येलो मार्क स्वास्तिक मेल।
और फीमेल में क्या है?
फीमेल में सर पार्दो फीमेल है, T20 है, काला पाड़ फीमेल है।
और लेपर्ड का क्या काउंट है?
लेपर्ड 70+ के आसपास।
और आज हम हमारे लेपर्ड के लिए क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? बहुत अच्छा ट्रैकिंग था। आप कुछ अगर बोलना चाहते हैं लेपर्ड के साइकिल के बारे में? ठीक है, थैंक यू। Hello, good afternoon all of you. We just completed the first safari. You have already seen what a great sighting we had. Unbelievable, this is my first time I saw leopards, and not one, it was three. It was a mating pair, and after that I got to see another one. There were a lot of alarm calls, strong alarm calls from langurs and sambar deers, and I had some brilliant shots. Mostly it was in the grasslands under the bushes, so sometimes it was hard to focus. So let me just give you a walkthrough on our property, One Vaikuntham. So this is the room we are staying, and from here as we move on the right side, it's a beautiful property. This has got 6 rooms and 1 dormitory which can host around 6 people. This dining space, and it's all inside the nature, and it's very near to the Turia gate. So if you plan for coming to Pench, you should definitely visit One Vaikuntham. I'll give the details of this resort in the description so that you can just have a look, Google it. It has got some great reviews. And now what we are going to do is we are heading towards the restaurant. We'll have our lunch, and then we have our second safari at Kursapar. So Kursapar is quite a known zone in the core area of Pench Tiger Reserve. So now we are going. So they have also created a small watchtower here, as you see. There you have those recreation things for children, for kids, and also for adults. There's a mandir there also, and this is a swimming pool. So that's how. And there's a mandir. I really love this small setup of this mandir, but it looks really beautiful, as you can see. So next time you come, definitely visit One Vaikuntham.
I invite you to relive these mesmerizing moments by subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you become a part of our community, dedicated to exploring and appreciating the wonders of the natural world. Our second episode promises yet another riveting journey into the heart of the wild, and we invite you to guess the next captivating story that awaits.